Hi and welcome to the Down Market View for Friday the 10th of October 2014. And starting off with the 5-minute chart, having just reloaded, I appear to have a signal missing. I had two yesterday. I had the buy signal which went up to the resistance area here, which was 16,950, just above this to the previous day's close, and then we saw prices moving lower. And then here I had a sell signal which picked up over 100 points, but for some reason has disappeared off the chart. So I don't know if this happened to you as well, but I had a triple X signal on this bar, and for some unknown reason it's disappeared off the chart on reloading. So I'm not able to actually show you how the trade progressed on this one, because the signal is no longer there. Apart from drawing it up manually, of course, which I could do, which is from this bar, and we see the market being filled, the market going through the 20-point scalp. And again, the criteria really for me, if I'm going to hold this position, is it has to drive through, which we see it driving through there, and also closing below the 16,800 level there as well. Next bar still closing through, market moves lower, we see some testing coming into the market down at the next 50-point level, which is at 16,750, and then to this point consider using 100% above, and you can see there the market trading down to the next psychological level, the next big round number of 16,700, and then eventually stopped out of the trade at 16,718. And like I say, it's odd that this has disappeared off the charts. So just using the pip measurement tool from here down to here, you can see there 133 points there on this trade from holding the trade. And the reason for holding the trade is that the market, I'll just have to put it back for you, the market's traded through, get rid of that, through the 20 pip scalp convincingly. So you can see there the market closing through the 20 pip scalp and then continuing lower there, and that's the criteria for holding the trade for the longer term, or certainly the first clue that the market could continue to move lower. The second, of course, is in the daily chart, which I spoke about yesterday, is that in the background we have this correction going on in the market at the moment. We had the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, which, as I've said before, is always deemed to be a positive thing. Same pattern every time, every month without fail. And then we see the real market take over again, with the background of the market having this correction at the moment with prices moving low. You can see there the low of the test bar, which I spoke about in Wednesday morning's market view there, being taken out at 16,670, but the market finding support at this low here, which is going to be, of course, 16,600 just here. And on the economic news front, let's just get rid of a few of these things here just to clear things up a bit on the chart. In today's economic news, there is nothing really to be concerned about. G20 meeting is still going on, but this has been downgraded to a medium impact news item, so nothing really to get in the way today. There is an FOMC member speaking at 2 p.m, but of course that's before the market opens. IMF meetings 3:15, 4:15 G20 meeting, so it could be interesting around this time depending on what they say, but at the moment it's classed as a medium impact news item there. On the implied volatility, all up and running again. We've got the implied now at 15.06, and we're seeing the market coming off the sort of 9% area. It's got to go to 18 to show a true bottom for the current correction that we're seeing in the daily chart there. So again, you can see this starting to move higher, but you can see also that we're around the 9%. 100% of course is 18, and that's what we're looking for this market to put in a new bottom before finding support and moving back to the upside. But until that happens, the market remains short, even though we are getting some up and down days in between, of course. Right, well, that's it from me today. Do let me know if you've got the signal, or had the signal I had yesterday and it also disappeared off the chart. It's unusual for that to happen, so very strange. But it is what it is, because it's no longer there, and I can't force it to return to the chart either. So very strange one, and not seen that for an awful long time. Right, well, have a good weekend. I will speak to you on Monday. As ever, thank you for your support. It's very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.